Meet Sarah, a patient website owner who takes pride in delivering a seamless browsing experience. But lately, Sarah's website has been slow, affecting her visitors' experience.
Why is my website so slow? I've optimized everything, but it's still not fast enough.
Sarah's website suffers from cache inefficiency, causing sluggish loading times. But she's about to discover the perfect solution. Introducing Flash Cache, the powerful WordPress plugin that optimizes website performance through advanced caching techniques. Sarah installs Flash Cache with ease. Instantly, her website transforms. Loading times become faster, providing a seamless browsing experience for her visitors.
Flash Cache has a world of difference. My website is lightning fast now.
But there's more. Flash Cache offers tons of features, taking website optimization to the next level. Dynamic Cache ensures up-to-date content without sacrificing speed. Fragment Cache selectively caches specific parts of a page, resulting in faster loading times. Flash Cache optimizes your website for mobile devices. Cache preloading keeps your cache ready for lightning-fast page delivery. Sarah is thrilled to discover these features in Flash Cache Pro, taking her website's performance to new heights. And with fast and reliable support, any questions or issues will be resolved promptly.
If you are a website owner struggling with slow loading times, try Flash Cache. It's the ultimate caching solution that will transform your website's performance.
Flash Cache. Make your website lightning fast.